I hate feeling my own heartbeat in my arm.
It's a very awkward feeling for sure. I agree.
I don't like it.
Almost there.
Yeah. It's cutting off the circulation of blood to my hand.
I think that's why it helps how it reads the blood pressure and whatnot.
Okay, so what was my blood pressure for my left arm?
You got 126/92.
126 over 92. Yeah, well, I think the 126 is just a little bit high. I'm not sure about the 92. That seems high to me.
I am not sure what that number is for.
Well, let me see. Well, you're a good doctor. Let's try the right arm, see if it's the same. So this was left arm 126 over 92. All right.
Let's try the other one.
Let's try the right arm.
I got my medical degree off the internet.
Well, you know, I believe it was Abraham Lincoln who said, "Don't believe everything you read on the internet."
I think Gandhi said that, actually.
Gandhi said it. So it's calculating. I gotta beat 126 over 92. Come on, come on, I can do it. Come on, give me a better score.
And I think your heartbeat was also at 85.
That's very high. My heart is racing. Oh my.
You weren't wrong about that song. Can you hear your heartbeat?
I can hear my heartbeat. My heartbeat is doing this. Well, look at that. That's weird.
Yeah,
So my left arm was 126 over 92. My right arm is 130 over 69. Interesting.
I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not.
I think it's a little bit high. Yeah. Well, I feel good. I think I'm as fit as a fiddle.
Ooh, as a fiddle.
I'm as fit as a fiddle. Good expression. I'm as fit as a fiddle. How would I say that in Korean language?
저는 아주 건강해요.
저는
아주 건강해요.
건강해요.
Yes.
Well, it's interesting because in English, a fiddle is an instrument. So like a violin or country style. That instrument is in good shape when it's playing well. So I'm as fit as a fiddle simply means I'm in good shape, I'm healthy. 저는 아주 건강해요. I'm as fit as a fiddle. Excellent, excellent. Well, let's try you, Dr. John Valentine.
All right.
Let's put this on your arm over here. We thread this through here. Okay. Get this up on your massive bicep. Okay, here we go. Let's check your blood pressure. I don't know if it's going to be accurate through your doctor's coat, but we'll see.
Ooh, that is very tight.
Yeah. I don't like that feeling. It's terrible.
It is very weird. Kind of makes my hand open for some reason.
Yeah. You know, the two numbers they give you, the high number and the low number there, the systolic and diastolic. Systolic number is the higher number and diastolic is the lower number.
But what do they mean?
I don't know. I think one of the numbers is in relation to the pressure put on your arteries.
I see.
Yeah. So yours is 115 over 63. Well, it's lower than mine. It's lower than mine. Let's try your right arm. It's lower.
Hang on, let me try. Actually, no.
No, let's do it this way. All right, there we go. All right, so we get it on your right arm. And we'll take a reading here with the blood pressure machine. Blood pressure gauge. Yeah.
It is very weird when you can feel your pulse in your arm.
Yeah, I don't like to feel my pulse anywhere. If I didn't have a pulse, I would be happy.
I think there's a medical term for that condition.